Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start now. Make sure the TV is on, you have the remote, and the TV PIN, usually 0000, ready. Go straight to Settings, press the gear icon, then select All Settings. You do this because network data is stored in System Settings. Clearing it requires the system reset. Once in All Settings, navigate to General to continue. Keep calm and follow each menu step. This is the only reliable way to fully clear network configurations, so you can reconnect cleanly. You now perform the reset. In General, choose Reset to Initial Settings and confirm with your PIN. This isn't just forgetting one Wi-Fi, it restores network modules and related settings to factory defaults, removing corrupted configs that cause repeat failures. Once done, the TV prompts a restart. Do not interrupt it. After reboot, the TV will present initial setup prompts. Use these to reselect language and region, then proceed to network setup. This sequence ensures a full, clean network. You finish by reconnecting. Go to Network, choose Wi-Fi, pick your SSID, and enter the password carefully. Make sure the TV receives an IP address and test internet access in the web browser or an app. If a problem appears, try one key troubleshooting tip. Power cycle your router and modem, then retry. If that fails, check router MAC filtering or set a manual DNS like 8. These steps resolve most residual network problems after a full reset.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.